Welcome to part 2 of our La Union trip. Coming from the Castro's loom weaving workshop in Bangar, we headed straight to the town of Luna, where we visited Baluarte Watch Tower and the Bahay Na Bato. Welcome back to our La Union adventure. In this episode, we're diving into the rich history of Baluarte Watch Tower. Situated in Barangay Victoria, Luna, this 400-year-old tower stands proudly facing the majestic West Philippine Sea. Crafted from vibrant red bricks and towering at 5.6 meters high, the watchtower was originally constructed by the Spaniards as a lookout against the looming threats of Japanese, Chinese, and Moro pirates, as well as other invaders along the coast of La Union. Its vigilant guards served as the first line of defense, alerting the locals of Luna to safeguard their homes and properties. Throughout history, Baluarte Watch Tower has played a crucial role, even serving as a communication hub during World War II. However, the passage of time hasn't been entirely kind. A recent typhoon unleashed its fury, causing the tower to split in half. But fear not, the Philippine government stepped in, meticulously restoring the tower while preserving its authentic architectural charm. Ito, ilang years na to?
400 years na.
400 years. Exactly
1827 po nagawa ito.
18.
Ito po 2014 po siya nagawa.
Ito, dinugtong. Oo. Yeah. Alright.
400 years na.
400 years na yan. Including dato, ito 400 years na rin. Today, the rejuvenated Baluarte stands as a testament to resilience, blending the essence of old and new. It remains a revered landmark embodying Luna's unwavering strength and solidarity. Ano konti ang taong araw?
Martes po.
Martes, pinaka-konti.
Martes, Merkules ka lang po.
Luna was named after the illustrious Luna brothers, Juan and Antonio. This town's heritage traces back to the bravery and valor of these legendary figures. From historical Baluarte, we're diving into the artistic wonders of Luna. One spot you absolutely cannot miss is Bahay Na Bato. Tucked away in Luna, La Union, this place is a true gem. Originally built in year 2000 as a serene retreat for Dr. Edison and Dr. Purita Chan Noble, it is now a masterpiece of art and architecture. Mga parts ng land na lubog dati sa ocean. And as time goes by, sila yung naka-expose niya. Mukha na siyang mga caves, bundok, ganyan. And doon galing yung mga ganito. And what makes it so special? Well, it's all thanks to the incredible craftsmanship of Korean stone and wood sculptor Bong Kim. The house itself is a work of art, made predominantly from stones and corals harvested from the nearby beach. Hence, its fitting name, Bahay Na Bato, which means house of stone. Spread across a sprawling 3-hectare property, Bahay Na Bato seamlessly blends the natural beauty of the beach with stunning artistic creations. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a charming pebble pavement setting the tone for your artistic journey. And trust me, there's plenty to see. Stone sculptures, each with its own unique story, offering a fascinating glimpse into history. From antique woodworking tools to fishing implements, it's like stepping back in time. So, andito yung mga arts and crafts, wood crafts, and stone crafts. But the thing that amused me the most is the floor. Look at that. Ito naman yung mga old na mga machine, sewing machine, na hindi na siguro gumagana, kaya nilagyan nila nila dyan for the new generations to appreciate. Ayun yung mga iron, flat irons dati. Naalala ko, naabutan ko yan. May uling, nagbabaga, na nilalagay sa loob, and yun yung pinagbaplansya ng lola. Bahay Na Bato isn't just a museum, it's also a living, breathing gallery. Featuring wooden and stone sculptures by none other than Bong Kim himself. It's a true celebration of creativity. You can experience it all firsthand. The gallery is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But if you're looking for a truly unique stay, why not book one of the bungalows on Airbnb? With private bathrooms and rates starting at 3,500 per night, it's the perfect way to immerse yourself in the beauty of Bahay Na Bato. So right behind me is a little cottage na pwedeng i-rent for a night or two. Doon, occupied siya right now. Hindi siya available for rent. Kaya hindi natin siya mapapasok. But
y si nos entregamos y lo perdemos por completo. Y si nos tiramos
Pilipinong gawa. Kahoy, dahil mayaman tayo sa kahoy noong unang panahon. At ang mga tao, hindi pa busy sa trabaho, kundi busy silang mag-craft ng kanilang house. So, mas maraming ukit, the better. Pag mas marami siyang design, sculptures, mga walls, mas mayaman ang pamilya.
Y si nos entregamos y nos perdemos por completo. Y si nos olvidamos de que todo es un secreto, aprendimos a ver amor y si es bueno, soltémonos los dos, prendamos ese fuego.
As we wrap up our exploration of the rich cultural heritage of La Union, from the intricate loom weaving in Bangar to the majestic Baluarte Watch Tower and the artistic wonders of Bahay Na Bato in Luna, it's clear that the Philippines is a treasure haven of traditions and history waiting to be discovered. By immersing ourselves in these cultural treasures, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for our roots, but also contribute to their preservation for future generations to enjoy. Whether it's through supporting local artisans, visiting historical sites, or simply sharing our experiences with others, we play a vital role in keeping our heritage alive. Whoa! Santiago Farm! Over! Until next time, remember to embrace the beauty of our culture and keep the flame of tradition burning bright. Salamat po and see you on the next adventure.